What's going on YouTube? Ty from the xking.com. Hit you with another video, and today we're doing a review of the Dosh app. Everyone should be using the Dosh app. My last video, I went over the getupside app, which everyone should be using. And if you want to get into that video, look below the video for that video, or I have a card as well. But this is the Dosh app, and the Dosh app is an instant cashback app. Okay, so these are, I have made $8.50 so far. As you see here, the nearby offers where I live at, and mattress, switch, pasta house, whole lot of places here. Chanello's Pizza, Sam's Club, which we always go to. A lot of restaurants here, Dunkin' Donuts, Pizza Hut, and yeah, it's pretty neat. They don't have. They have clothes and footwear. Let me see. They don't have a lot of clothes and footwear section, but it's still growing. You scroll down to like gas and auto. I'm waiting for a gas station to pop up. I would definitely use it, but there isn't none right now. Okay. They have a lot of stuff on here. Grocery, entertainment. They don't have anything. Yeah. So. Not around my area, but maybe if I go outside my area, they might have something coming up. So here's what you do. So let's say you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts for coffee and donut, right? Click on Dunkin' Donuts. What you need to do is a couple of things. You need to link your debit card and credit card to the app. So you must use that credit card to get the cash back. And another thing you need to do is you have to use your debit card as a credit card, meaning that if you hand over your debit card to a waiter or a waitress, you make sure you tell them ring it up as a credit transaction. When you swipe your card or you insert your card, make sure you use a credit transaction, okay? And it says here, offer only valid when you use a Dosh link credit or debit card. When using a debit card for purchases, cashiers need to run the transaction as a credit card transaction in order to receive the cash back. Once the transaction is complete, that will add the funds to your balance account. So you must use your debit card and run it as credit. Now, credit go do credit, but debit card uses credit. Okay, so we went to Sam's Club and I run it up as credit. And as soon as I get into the parking lot, I got money back into my account. All right. Now it wasn't much, but it was like $1.40 into my account. Okay. So yeah, this is activity. Let's see. I can show my activity. If it loads up here. So it says, cha-ching, thanks for your purchase at Sand Club. I got $1.40 cash back pending in my wallet. And I spent about $70. So I did spend a lot of money, not a lot of money, $70, and I got about $1.40, which is nice. Okay, so, and you can always type this up. So I got $8.50 in my account so far. You can only withdraw this money when you hit $25. Okay, when you hit $25, then you can withdraw it. I say just wait till you get to $100, then withdraw it, because withdrawing $25 ain't gonna do much. Okay, I will withdraw when I get $100. All right, so if below this video, if you use my link below the video, okay? If you use my link, so click my link below the video. If you use my link and link a debit or credit card to the account, they'll give you $5. So it's a free $5. So it's free money. So use my link below the video to get the Dosh app. It's a really good app. You can search for things. You can another location. Let's say you're going out of town somewhere and you want to look what's in the area. Click. You can put in the zip code there and it will tell you what's going on. But there's a lot of restaurants here that you can go to. And the one thing we do use this is for Sam's Club. If you go to Sam's Club, and I don't know about BJ's or Costco's, but maybe in your area they're doing it, but don't see it in my area, which is fine. You got Dunkin' Donuts, edible arrangements is good for, Valentine's Day or, someone's birthday. Get 5% cash back on that, edible arrangements. Yeah, got Denny's up here, Pizza Hut, Bonchon, Deep Run Roadhouse. They got bowling alley up here as well. So you go to a bowling alley, you get 5% cash back on that. You got mattress places. So it's a lot of restaurants in the area that I can go to and get cash back. I say it's free download. Use my link below the video to get it. It doesn't work. Then when it first came out, it wasn't working well. It was loading up and then crashing all the time. But they updated it, they fixed it, and yeah, I would definitely get this app. Free download, it's free money. If you're gonna go to Sam Club anyway, why not get $1, $2 back every time you go? You know, I would do it. If you go to Dunkin' Donuts in the morning, you might as well get the cash back, okay? You might as well. Just make sure that you use it as a credit transaction and not a debit transaction, because it will not work. You must use credit. TyFitSKN.com. Please look below the video for that link. If you want to get the gas app as well and get cash back on gas, that link is below the video as well. Thanks for watching my video. Visit my blog at skn.com, and I'll see you next time.